Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. If today is your first time here, I'm glad to have you. Today I'm going to share with you how I straighten up my bone straight wig.
Efana sana mekoso no Glorious Ahombrasie Kitchen na esu asemedwumadi we say ebremu abusua obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasie Kitchen obetimi ahwe spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye en same onwa enuane ahodo ene local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking ena oye enuane a wonti bidin da ena omo no a page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu anase onyanware ye eja esujani unyo bi no aduane ama obetimi akọ no YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so obetimi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia wo test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pese onu ano Gloria etimi aboa.
Okay, inti wigi. Oh, sani ayo basa. Say ya. Nyawe ni se. Ube brushi. See, yeah, babe. Okay. The rubber is still not in year 18. Now my may use I have my pin here. And a clipsy. Bet me I use clipsy be so the beer to me a holdy hair no. Good. And the PNC normally so yeah we got now they're holdy but on person we never move here. Good to me. And the shishi. So that fate you know so by layers in normally no. Let's start it from asenokra so your layers you can see right, another layer is here too. Then the more time you have, the more a year be chest everything very fine. So okay. So okay. And then Maria just kakrabi because I don't want the video to be long. Okay, then just Maricham kakrabi, then I'll do the rest. Okay. And I was standing, so I was trying me will be but me who baby I made that shit. Yeah. And then you can even put it down like this. See. Put it down. And then you're gonna start from here. Okay, see, na me use. Okay. And see, just start here. Okay. So okay, Ketwana will be good for the back. Okay. See, say back and here very short. So, yeah. Okay. See, so you see difference in it, right? You see difference. Yep, here, see? No way, no way. You can tell difference in it. Okay, let's continue with the, see, I'll take this sponge. And so what there, this is what is more easier. I just say I firm. Okay. See? And also, no, I saw she said, oh, iron. It's not too hot to bend the hair. Okay. Beautifully. Okay. Okay. Put me at the back. Wafa. Now we are first time no. I add it together. Now you come. Okay. Now you come. Okay, the next. For the next line. Okay. Johnson, now get time. Okay. Okay. So here. See? Time it. Let me turn it on, it's getting cold now. Okay. Okay, fine. You get in there. You take these ones. Okay. So let's see. I think I have one more. Okay. See. Okay, okay. So, see. No, so I've correct. Make sure you don't bend your hair. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to finish it. Then I'll show you the results. See, so far, can tell the difference. Okay, I'll be back for the results. So that's all.
Hello.
Okay. What do you say to our Brazilian?
I hope you guys are being fortunate and keep supporting us. And we need you all to share and subscribe. We need your support.
Amen. You keep doing it layer by layer till you finish and you get the best results.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.